Rearrange the spring clip and insert the rounded pegs into the hollow side of the handle through the 2 holes to lock it into place. Align the open hook of the spring over the left arm of the handle and hold in place as shown here. Place the handle and spring onto the vacuum, pressing down on the spring so the looped hook presses against the vacuum and hold in place. While holding the handle and spring with one hand, guide the locking pin through the holes of the vacuum, handle, and spring. Readjusting your grip if necessary, guide the locking pin all the way through the holes until it snaps into place. Confirm the handle is properly installed by testing the tension handle and spring operation.